In this tutorial, I will show you radial graph tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. You can access radial graph tool from this stack. This is radial graph tool. After accessing it, I am drawing a rectangle area and then I will enter few dummy text. I have already prepared this, so I am copied this text and pasting in here. So pasting, and after that I am transpose this. Actually I need to paste it here. I am deleting it, and this is now I am make it. So this is nice, this is fine. So I am now entering other dummy text quickly. So I am press here and click here. I will paste it straight. So there it is. This is, here was another media which I didn't see now, so I am entering it manually. After that I am again copying this and pasting here, and again copying this and pasting here. So only this is and pasting here. I am deleting this source. So after entering the dummy text or data, I am accepting it, and you can see this is radial graph. You can see this is radial graph. Here is the radial graph. The value exists in the here, and you can see the radial graph. Here is the legend. So you can see I am clicking here and accessing type from here. You can also accessing others. I am going to value axis, and you can see tick marks in full width here selected, and also length full width. I am short. If I make it short and clicking here, you can see now the tick marks is very smaller. So I am making it again, control I am undo it. So now I am clicking here and accessing group selection tool. After that I am double click on this layer, and you can see this group has been selected. And now here it is. So after selecting this, I am going to shift, or here you can see here is RGB option. I am selecting, and now I am clicking here in light color. So in this way I am selecting group selection tool and then double clicking here. So then I am going to RGB and make it another color. Then I am also making it RGB and making it another color. And finally I am selecting this and I am going to RGB and making it okay. So in this way you can color your graph. Also I would like to show you, I am now in the center and holding down Alt and Shift, I am drawing an perfect ellipse, and then I am going to here Control Shift left square to bring the shape in the back, and after that I am down the opacity so that it will visible perfectly. So you can see this is radial graph tool inside Adobe Illustrator. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.